We decided to splurge on the M18 Milwaukee Transfer Pump and see if it lived up to the hype. Now, with Biden inflation hitting hard, the price tag for this bad boy is about $230. That's right, $230 just for the pump and a few pieces of paper with some instructions. Maybe we can use those instructions to mop up the tears we shed over the price. But hey, let's not judge a pump by its price tag. Let's see how it performs. We set out to drain a fully heated 50-gallon water heater with a 6.0 amp-hour battery that's juiced up and ready to go. And you know what? This little pump didn't disappoint. It drained that tank faster than my kids can drain the juice boxes on a hot summer day. And get this, it only used 1 bar of the battery. I've seen smartphones that use more battery watching cat videos. So if you're in the market for a pump that can suck up water faster than a thirsty camel, this might just be the one for you. And hey, if you found this review helpful, do us a solid and hit that like button. And if you want to see more pump-tastic content, hit that subscribe button too, because who doesn't love a good pump video? Stay pumped, my friends!